check out my dog Belle, who is shaking spontaneously, involuntarily shaking, or therapeutic tremoring. Now, Belle kind of looks like a dingo. And that's cool because shaking medicine was birthed in Australia. The Shaking Medicine Foundation, my work that I've been doing for quite a few years, looking at how to tune humans into their instinctive nature of therapeutic tremoring for all the many, many benefits that it can give, such as relieving trauma from the body and mind. So check it out, shakingmedicine.com.